Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Channel is presenting for viewers such an informative video. This video is presented for those who love their kitchen, and the very essential item of kitchen is apron. Apron. You should use it while you are doing kitchen activities because it protects you from every kind of dirt. Oven gloves. Oven gloves. You wear it while you use oven because it saves your hands from excessive heat of oven. Spice container. Spice container. It is a group of boxes that it helps you while you are cooking and saves your time of picking many boxes one by one. Wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. You use it while you take soup and stir while you are cooking. Ball. Ball. You use it in many ways, especially it is used for soup. Bread basket. Bread basket. It keeps bread fresh and hot before eating. And you can use very easily. Frying pan. Frying pan. It is best for cooking and frying every item which you want. Funnel. Funnel is a cone-shaped tool or object that is used to transfer ingredients like flour, sugar, oil into a mixing bowl or measuring cup without spilling. Cleaver. Cleaver. Cleaver is used for chopping, slicing, or crushing food items. It can be used to break bones in meat like chicken or beef. Fork. Fork. Fork is used for cooking, serving, and eating food. Dish rack. Dish rack. Dish rack is a kitchen tool used to hold dishes, glasses, and utensils after they have been washed. Oven. Oven. Ovens are used as kitchen appliances for roasting and heating. Fridge. Fridge. Fridge is one of the most important pieces of equipment in the kitchen for keeping food safe. Chopping board. Chopping board. Chopping board is used for cutting food on, and use separate knives and chopping boards for cutting up salad and raw meat. Grater. Grater. Grater is usually used for shredding and shaving foods to garnish out add in pots pan as the food cooks. Colander. Colander. Colander is a kitchen utensil used to strain foods such as pasta or to rinse vegetables. Kitchen paper. Kitchen paper. Kitchen paper is used for cleaning, baking, and even can use it to line the basket of your air fryer. Egg slicer. Egg slicer is used to slice peeled, hard boiled eggs quickly and evenly. Cup. Cup. Cup is a small ball shaped container for drinking. Deep fryer. Deep fryer. It can be used to cook foods such as fried chicken, french fries, and potato chips. Jar. Jar. Jar is used to save many things from insects in your kitchen. Scales. Scales is used to measure the weight or mass of an ingredient expressed in pounds, gram, fluid, ounce, or milliliters. Milliliters. Baking tray. Baking tray. Baking tray is used for baking pastries such as bread rolls, cookies, sheet cakes, Swiss rolls, and pizza. Rolling board. Rolling board is used to roll rotis, parathas, or any such dough. Rolling pan. Rolling pans are used to roll the dough on these boards. Griddle. Griddle. Griddle is used to cook food like pancakes, French toast, and eggs and rotis. Skimmer. Skimmer. Skimmer is used for skimming, cooking liquids, or lifting ripened cream from milk. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle is used to prepare ingredients or substances by crushing and grinding them into a fine paste or powder in the kitchen. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Measuring cup is used to measure the volume of liquids such as milk, water, oil, or liquid powders like sugar, flour, or washing powder. Kettle. Kettle. Kettle heats water to a precise temperature to create specialty drinks like tea, coffee, hot cocoa, or other warm drinks. Tongs. Tongs. Tongs are a type of tool used to grip and lift objects instead of holding them directly with hands. Microwave oven. Microwave oven. The principle of microwave cooking is conversion of electromagnetic energy to thermal energy within the heat. Cutlery. Cutlery. The most common types of cutlery includes knives, forks, and spoons. Knives are used for cutting and slicing, while forks are used for spearing and holding food. Spoons are used for scooping and serving food. Garlic press. Garlic press. It turns fresh garlic into minced garlic by pressing it through small holes.